friends, welcome to my channel Mr. Good Channel 1, and today I want to show you unboxing and first look of HUAWEI MatePad 12th edition, PaperMatter edition. I bought it by myself. This is a check, so review will be honest. It goes in this box, as you can see. Additionally, HUAWEI M-Pencil I received. Okay, let's unboxing it. One moment. I have HUAWEI green color. As you can see, HUAWEI M-Pencil. It works with technology Neuralink. It is better than Bluetooth. So this is HUAWEI M-Pencil. M-Pencil 3rd generation. Okay. Let's unbox it. As you can see, it looks very nice. If you are interested the dimension of the pencil, okay, let's move on. Here is a HUAWEI tablet. Also, here we will get a keyboard. This is HUAWEI MatePad Paper Edition tablet, 12-inch. In the box we have, let's see, HUAWEI Smart Magnetic Keyboard. Okay, let's start from a magic keyboard. Okay, let's unbox the keyboard. As you can see, here are technical information. Okay, I can say that the quality of the unboxing is very good. The keyboard, HUAWEI, it feels very good. It is like a soft touch plastic. It's like a very nice. So these are some tips. And here what we get, instruction on different languages. Very good. Let's put it away and look at the keyboard. I will then separately create another video about the quality of the keyboard. Today I just want to create this video to show you unboxing. Okay, let's move on. And this is MatePad. It's very wonderful. how to install apps information. Okay. I ordered a tablet with a green color. Wonderful. I see the quality is very good. It feels very good. As you can see, the main point of this tablet is it's a matte structure of the display. So today I have a very sunny day and it looks amazing. And this green color looks also very cool. The camera, buttons, speakers, microphone, a charger, USB Type-C. Wonderful. Okay, and here we get additionally microfiber. I want to say that Huawei makes very good products. It feels very good. What next we have here? Here we have instructions, warranty, okay, and a cable to charge our tablet. It has USB and Type-C, 6 ampere. Okay, and here I think it's all. Nothing. No, it's all. So in the next video I will show all the features of this display and this tablet. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video and write your comments what you want to know about this tablet. Maybe you have any questions. I will try to answer all your questions under the video.